So I am back at Alton Towers. I haven't been for over a month now, and obviously the last time you see me was when I did the Minecraft Mood Mods event thing. So I'm currently just heading towards Economic Sector Dark Forest to do 13. Then because Vita doesn't open until 11 for some odd reason, so I'm just going on 13. And also one of my mates works here now, so I will probably end up bumping into him some point today. But yeah, there's me, one of my friends, and his cousin today. But my friend and his cousin are coming quite late for the parks to Owen's house today because he's got work until I think 11. So yeah, I will be doing like a couple of rides before him. But yeah, I want to start off with but yeah, it's just really busy. When you come in, it was completely like busy and stuff, so it shows the right time to come in. But yeah, I literally just got my wide access pass literally just now. I was like trying to do it and stuff and get it, but I literally just got it for today for me, my friend, and my friend's cousin. But yeah, it will be really nice to see my mates today, and as I said, one of my mates are actually working today, so I will obviously naturally just bump into him some point today, but I don't know when. He doesn't do right or anything. He does generally event connection or something on them lines. I will put the yeah, he does actually generally event technician. He went to university for it, so he's with RWS instead of Merlin, but he works here, so yeah, I will bump into him some point. But yeah, it's actually really nice to be here today. I actually really miss going to Alton Towers. I used to come a lot last year, but yeah, today it's just one of them trips where I'm like, I'll have to be at Towers was on my way in Germany next month, and that's everything is planned and booked, and I will hopefully I can record vlogs and stuff because I'm with my mates. And but yeah, I knew Battle Guardians. I haven't, but totally, I only been on this roller ride once, and then it was when the Power Takeover event. That's the only time I actually done Battle Guardians. But yeah, I literally said to my mate, one of my mates who's coming today, I'm not rushing around today because it's my home park. I haven't really been here for literally a month, like just over a month now. But yeah, I'm kind of glad I'm recording today because I know with my mates, I know I can just record and stuff. But yeah, I literally said to him, I'd rather just go on a couple of rides before he comes with his cousin. And I've got a fast track with my Merlin pass, and I got my ride access pass, and apart from that, that's everything what I've got today anyway. But yeah, I might see people who I know, like my mates and stuff like that, but generally like theme park users and stuff who I might see today, but I actually don't know. But yeah, let's start off my day with Dark Forest. I know 13 opens, not 13, Vita opens at 11, no, 11 I think. It's a weird time, there's two rides for opens at 11, Vita and something else. But yeah, I'm starting off with 13. I might use my map for it, or I might just go in a crew line.
Well, the ride starts in about 15 minutes.
So I just done 13. I've never been into the eccentric crew line before, so I am off to do Smiler because it's on 35 minutes. But I know I can do the single crew line forward, so I'm just heading over there. But yeah, I'll rather have a chill morning before one of my friends comes with his cousin. But yeah, Vita is down still until I think 11 o'clock I think. But yeah, I want to head to the Smiler, then probably a chill morning, and I might do Oblivion. I think Oblivion has a single crew line as well, I think. But yeah, I don't want to lose my rock past that, but it's too early in the morning, and I think I was at this for the crowd, kind of what I use. It's a 70 to 73% crowd today, but literally, it's dead, literally down there. It's literally completely dead. I always start off, if I'm on my own, or with friends who doesn't know the park well enough, I always start with Dark Forest, then X Sector, but yeah, I know, I always done that for the last couple of times, and it works out in my favour. But yeah, I know my friend comes around 11:30, 1, no, 12:30, 1ish, because he's about to finish work in the next 45 minutes. So yeah, I want to go on Smiler. I might do a billion as well. But yeah, no, I want to do Smiler before he comes. Then probably chill in the morning. But yeah, before he comes here. I know I don't know where to meet him. But yeah, I know all the Scarefest lineup. I know it, and I got a couple behind the scenes. I won't actually share anything with you guys, but yeah, I know cool secrets, so yeah. I just did cars, and it was really nice this round, but I know the last time I went it was really rushed. So I've just done Man. The last time I spoke to you was I done this minor cars and Man, and I'm just about to do a billion, and it's only on like 15, yeah, only on 15 minutes, so I'm just doing it now. But yeah, my friend hasn't messaged me yet, it's like just gone 12. But yeah, I want to do a billion, then I don't know what to do next. Because, well, I don't want to do everything and everything, because one of my friends, as I said, one of my friends comes, so I don't want to do everything and everything. Then also I want to just do things what I want to do. So I want to do a billion, then probably message him and see where he is, because I know he's coming on his bike to here, but yeah, let's just chill out for a minute. So for the last hour, I haven't really been on anything, because I literally was about to spit. Now it's time to spit again, so I might not go on anything. But yeah, I was thinking of doing the curse again. Like, I don't want to do the curse again. Love that, but I don't want to do it again. But yeah, I've been on Man. I've been on anything what I want to do this evening today. But yeah, I messaged my friend if he's on his way. Haven't got any response yet, but yeah, so I want to do Nemesis, but it's on like on a 55-minute speed. The last time I seen X Sector, no, I done X Sector, so Smiler and Oblivion, done 13, done Man, done Curse. I still haven't used my fast track yet. Today I'm still waiting on the right time to use it, because I know I have to use it under 90 minutes or less, or 6. I think it's like 90 minutes or less I have to use it for. But yeah, I just been taking photos and that like the past like 30 to 45 minutes, but yeah, I'll rather have a chill and I also catch my breath, drink some water, and I've been to the loo as well. But yeah, I just literally just walk through the gardens, just kind of relax and just chill pill. But yeah, it's trying to rain like now. I need to put my jumper on because it's actually really, really cold now. The weather is just like playing up like the whole day. Like 1 minute it's warm, the next minute it's just really, really cold, the next minute it's like warm. So yeah, I definitely need to put my jumper on because it's about to spit and I will go inside somewhere. So I've actually done everything apart from Nemesis V1 is closed for some odd reason. But yeah, I've still got just under an hour left at the park, but I'm going home. So that's my day at Alton Towers. I know I probably haven't filmed that much today because I've just been with my mates and one of my friends I've seen working and stuff. So yeah, I mainly just come down here before I go to Euro Park. And next year, well this year actually, and I'm going to Blackpool literally in my next video. What you're going to see, but yeah, I hope you enjoy this one, and remember to subscribe, like and comment, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. And yeah, I just saw Howard walking around the park, but yeah, I haven't really spoke to him today, but yeah, this is probably the last time I probably will come down here until probably, I actually don't know when I'm next coming back down.